Gaano ka ka-honest sa family mo in terms of your personal life?
Honest, yeah, very much. We talk about things day-to-day, things that we do pag nagkikita kami. Ganon, kamustahan, and so on. I don't think I hide anything from my family. Or at least, actively, wala. Ganon, consciously, I mean, yeah. Or siguro may mga bagay na hindi na bring up, but in every matters naman, we're open to each other. Yeah. Yeah, kasi sabi namin yung mga plans, yung mga gustong gawin. Of course, may mga plans na kapag hindi ka pa sure or hindi mo pa alam kung paano mo gagawin, hindi mo muna i-reveal, right? Or
Mm.
pag-ano
Oo.
mo muna, pag-i-investan mo muna ng time
Oo.
once you're
Isipan mo muna.
confident na gagawin, no?
Nice.
Yeah.
Oo. Meron ka bang favorite quote or quotes sa family mo
Mm,
na naalala mo lagi? Parang naalala mo lagi every time or from time to time?
mm, wait lang. Sorry, can you repeat? May nakita lang ako. No?
Meron ka bang favorite quote, quotable quotes na naalala na tinuro ng parents or sinabi ng parents sa iyo through the years na lagi mong naalala na sinasabi nila or parang memorable siya na quote?
Yeah, ayun lang. It's more on kayo yung magtutulungan in the end, kayo magkakapatid. So, kayo mag-aaway-away. Like, it will always be you and my sisters, yung mga kapatid kong babae, that will have each other's back, support them, whatever happens. Of course, pag may mali,
Wow.
basically yun, it's not necessarily a quote, more on teaching.
Oo, more on like
Yeah.
normal teachings na sinasabi ng
Eh,
mga. Oo.
yeah. Like, paulit-ulit sinasabi and so on. Just got drilled into you. Which is true naman na sino ba unang lalapitan pag may emergency? And then, it's either your family members, your best friends, or what, diba?
Mm,
Yeah.